Hey guys, Fatal Fox here. Welcome to my channel. As you can see here today, guys, I'm actually building a custom PC. I needed a new PC only because I'm doing more content for YouTube and more editing, and I'm also learning how to use Premiere Pro and Photoshop. So I figured it was time for an upgrade. However, I decided to go a different route. Rather than just building a regular PC, I decided to do a custom build based on one of my favorite characters, Vegeta, which is why I'm wearing this t-shirt today. So I'm excited to get this done. I have been waiting weeks and weeks for all the parts to come in, so I'm definitely excited to get this PC built. I'm going to build this PC in front of you on a time lapse, so hopefully, it might take me 2 to 3 hours to get this done, but for you guys, you're probably seeing like maybe 5, 10, 8 minutes. However long it takes me, but it won't be that long. Either way, guys, I'm very excited to get this done. I hope you guys like the PC, how I build it after it's done. I definitely look forward to your comments. Anyway, guys, I'm super hyped to get this PC build started. Let's get started.
right. You had no idea, did you?
What do you guys think? It's an awesome build, right? I definitely enjoyed every moment of making this build, even though it took me like all night to build this. I definitely enjoyed the hell out of it. It's honestly, it's made my life a lot easier with the content creating and the editing and the videos and all that stuff. It just made my life so much easier, especially upgrading from a 4-year-old PC to this new one. I'm enjoying the hell out of it and all the upgrades that come with it. If you guys are wondering why I'm wearing a different shirt, it's because my 3-month-old, she threw up on it, so I had to switch shirts. So, you know, if you guys have kids, you know how it is. Hashtag dad life, hashtag girl dad. That's all me right now. Anyway guys, I know I've been slacking on the video content, but don't worry, I will be releasing more content. My next video is definitely going to be a reaction to the last 3 episodes of Food Wars. I know it's super sad. I've been avoiding all the spoilers on Twitter and Facebook just so that I could watch it and so that I could put my actual live reaction on YouTube. If you guys also want to join me as well on Twitch, I will be doing it there at a later time, probably tomorrow around 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you guys want to join me then, I will be watching it again and probably will be going through all those emotions again. On top of that, I will be watching the last 3 episodes of Rent a Girlfriend Season 1 because we all gotta wait for Season 2. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys have any comments or any questions about the build, I'll be more than happy to help you out. I will be leaving in the description where I got all the vinyl to actually get the vinyl on the glass itself, also all the materials that I use to have it done. Honestly guys, it's not a hard project to do. You just have to have a lot of patience and just gonna have to go to do it. But honestly though, in the long run, it's very cool and unique because it's a custom build PC that honestly no one else is gonna have but you. Either way guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, please like, and please look forward to my next video. Peace.